Hello, friends. Welcome back to Learn Science and Chemistry, a podcast by ChemistryNotesInfo.com. I'm your host, Jitendra Singh Sandhu, and today we are going on an incredible journey through some of the greatest scientific discoveries and breakthroughs in human history. Friends, you know, everything around us is a result of scientific discoveries and inventions done in the past. The smartphone in your hand, the electricity powering your home, the medicine that saves lives of millions of people, the satellite orbiting around Earth, and even the understanding of who we are as a human being. All of these are possible because of science. But have you ever wondered how humanity arrived here? Thousands of years ago, people looked at the stars without knowing what they were. Diseases spread without anyone understanding their cause. Lightning was seen a mysterious force, and the movements of planets seems impossible to explain. Then came curious minds, scientists who were asked questions about the things happening around them. Why do objects fall? What causes disease? How do living things evolve? What we made of? Can humans travel beyond Earth? The answer of these questions transformed civilizations. Today we will explore 50 scientific discoveries and breakthroughs that changed the world forever. Let's begin with one of the most famous discoveries of all time, that is gravity. Imagine in England in the 17th century, a young scientist named Isaac Newton is sitting beneath an apple tree. According to a famous story, he watches an apple fall and begins wondering why objects fall always downwards. These simple questions or observation eventually lead Newton to explain gravity, a force that governs everything from falling apples to an movement of planets and galaxies. Without understanding gravity, modern engineering, satellite technology, and space exploration wouldn't be possible. It's be impossible. But gravity wasn't the only idea that changed how humans viewed the universe. For centuries, people believed Earth was the center of everything. Then Nicholas Copernicus proposed something revolutionary. The Earth revolved around the Sun. This heliocentric theory completely changed astronomy and challenged centuries of accepted belief. Later, scientists such as Galileo and Kepler provided evidence supporting this extraordinary idea. Humanity suddenly realized that Earth was not the center of the universe. As scientists continued investigating nature and they discovered another force, it would reshape civilizations, that is, electricity. Think about life without electricity. No light, no internet, no smartphone, no television, no modern hospitals. Scientists such as Benjamin Franklin, Michael Faraday, and Nikola Tesla helped reveal the secret of electricity and electromagnetism. Their discoveries laid the foundation for the technological world we live in today. Meanwhile, another revolution was taking place in biology. Charles Darwin spent years observing planets, animals, and fossils. His work eventually led to the theory of evolution through natural selection. Darwin showed that life changed over time and that species adapt to their environments. This discovery transformed biology forever and helped explain the incredible diversity of life on Earth. But perhaps one of the most important discoveries about life itself came in the 20th century. Scientists James Watson and Francis Crick, building on crucial work by Rosalind Franklin, revealed the structure of DNA. Inside nearly every cell of your body lies DNA, the molecule that carries the instruction for life. This breakthrough opened the door to modern genetics, biotechnology, forensic science, and personalized medicines. As scientists learned more about life, they also solved one of humanity's greatest mysteries, that is, disease. For centuries or thousands of years, people believed illness were caused by evil spirits or bad air. Then Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch demonstrated that tiny microorganisms caused many diseases. This germ theory revolutionized medicine. Suddenly, doctors understood why people became sick and how disease could be prevented. This discovery paved the way for another life saving breakthrough, that is, vaccination. Edward Jenner's work on smallpox vaccination began a medical revolution that had saved hundreds of millions of lives. Today, vaccines protect people against disease that once killed entire population. Soon afterward came another miracle of medicine. In 1928, Alexander Fleming noticed something unusual in his laboratory. A mold growing in a petri dish was killing bacteria around it. That accidental observation led to the discovery of penicillin, the world's first major antibiotic. Countless lives have been saved because of antibiotics. As we continued our journey through scientific history, we encounter another masterpiece of human understanding, the periodic table, created by Dmitry Mendeleev. The periodic table organized the building block of matter and allows scientists to predict elements that had not been yet discovered. Today, it remains one of the most powerful tools in chemistry. Until date, 118 elements were discovered. To know about these elements, you can get our book, whose link is provided in the description of this podcast. The 20th century then brought discoveries that changed physics forever. Scientists discovered radioactivity, electron, atomic nuclei, and eventually developed quantum mechanics. Quantum mechanics revealed that the microscopic world behaves in a ways that seems almost magical. Yet this strange theory powers modern computers, lasers, semiconductors, and many of the technologies we use every day. Then came Albert Einstein. Einstein's theory of relativity changed our understanding of space, time, energy, and gravity. His famous equation E equals to mc square became one of the most recognized scientific formula in history. Einstein's ideas eventually helped scientists understand black holes, the expansion of the universe, and the origin of the cosmos itself. Speaking of the universe, one of the humanity's greatest discovery was realizing that the universe had a beginning. The Big Bang theory suggests that everything we see today emerged from an incredible hot and dense state billions of years ago. From that beginning came galaxies, stars, planets, and eventually life itself. Back here on Earth, scientific discoveries continued transforming medicine. Scientists discovered blood circulation, insulin, anesthesia, antiseptics, stem cells, DNA fingerprinting, and CRISPR gene editing. Each breakthrough improved human health and expanded our understanding of the body. Meanwhile, technology advanced at astonishing speed. The discovery of radio waves led to the wireless communications, semiconductors and transistors made computers possible, the internet connected billions of people, artificial satellites transformed communication and navigation, and humans eventually traveled beyond Earth. In 1961, Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space. Only 8 years later, astronauts landed on the moon. These achievements demonstrated what humanity can accomplish through science and engineering. Today, scientists are exploring some of the most exciting frontiers ever imagined. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Quantum computers promise unprecedented computational power. Astronomers are discovering planets around distant stars. Researchers are studying black holes and gravitational waves. Every year brings new discoveries that push the boundaries of human knowledge. As we look back at these 50 scientific discoveries and breakthroughs, one thing became clear: science is not just a collection of facts, science is humanity's quest to understand the universe. It is curious transformed into knowledge. It is imagination transformed into reality, and it is one of the most powerful forces for improving human life. Who knows what the next great discovery will be? Perhaps it will cure a disease, perhaps it will reveal life beyond Earth, or perhaps it will completely change our understanding of reality itself. Whatever the future holds, one thing is certain: the spirit of scientific discovery will continue to guide humanity forward. Thank you for listening to Learn Science and Chemistry podcast. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with your friends, family, student, and fellow science enthusiasts. For more science article, facts, infographics, educational resources, visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of science. You can get link of this podcast article in the description of this podcast. Thank you to listening this podcast.